Welcome, my online learners. Today I'm going to teach you how to get on your reading group Google Classroom. So this is different because I'm a teacher, but you're a student and you should have one of these groups pop up. Either gophers, frogs, emus, dingoes, cobras, buffalo, or aardvarks. One of those is going to be your reading group. And you go ahead and click on one of them. I'm going to use one from last year, but it's the same thing. So it's going to look like this. You're going to have different topics and whatnot, just like in our distance learning Google Classroom. And I wanted to show you the first thing you do on the first day of the week. You are going to be reading and recording yourself reading a book. So I'm going to open this one right here. It just says a letter on it, and then it has the title, and then it says read and record. So just go ahead and open that up, and it should look like this. So we've got the cover of the book, and then the different pages. You can scroll through this and see the different pages. But what you'll notice is here in between, at the top of the page, so this is page 1 right here, or the first page of the book. It technically says page 3, but it's the first page of the book. You see right here this record audio response. And this is where you're going to record yourself reading the book. So for some of you, for most of you, you probably haven't done this, so I'm going to show you how. You're going to click here, record audio response, and this is going to pop up. Listen carefully. Make sure you click allow or it's not going to work. If you click the other one, it's gonna not work at all and then you're gonna be stuck. So click allow. Allow, the one with the A. Click it. And then it'll start recording you. So you sit here, you can see it's recording, and you read it. Morty could only think of one thing that was worse than wasting a Saturday at the boring wedding. So you have to read these whole pages. Okay, and when you finish, you get all the way here to the end of these 2 pages, you hit the button again, stop recording. And so now it's uploaded your recording. And you can listen to it and make sure it sounds good, that it actually recorded you. And then you scroll down and go to the next couple pages. You click the record audio response. It won't come up with the block or allow because you've already allowed it. So you should be good to go and you just read these 2 pages and then you hit stop. And you do that for the entire book. And then we, as your teachers, can listen to you reading and make sure you are reading correctly. So make sure you take your time, read it nice and fluently, and just remember, the first thing after you hit this record audio response, you have to click allow or it won't work. So make sure you click allow. Hey, you guys got this? If you don't see your Google Classroom with your new reading group with a certain animal, let your teacher know, please, so we can make sure you get in. And good luck. Let us know if you have any questions.